Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio Verify for phone authentication in mobile apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Twilio Verify for phone authentication in your mobile app, start by signing in to your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, visit twilio.com to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. On the dashboard, locate the Verify section from the left-hand menu. Click on Verify to access the Verify service dashboard. Next, select Get Started to set up a new Verify service. Enter a meaningful name for your Verify service to easily identify it later. After naming your service, select the countries you want to support for phone verification. Twilio recommends starting with the countries you expect your users to be in. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Service. Your new Verify service will be created, and a service SID will be generated. Copy the service SID, you will use it later in your code. Now, let's integrate the Twilio Verify SDK in your mobile app. If you are using Android, add the Twilio Verify SDK to your Gradle file. For iOS, install the SDK via CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. With the SDK integrated, open your code editor. Start by importing the Twilio Verify package. Now, initialize the Twilio Verify client using the service SID you copied earlier. Create a function for sending a verification code to the user's phone number. In this function, make sure to validate the phone number format before sending. Once validated, invoke the Twilio Verify API to send the code. Handle the response accordingly, displaying success or error messages as needed. Next, create a function for verifying the code submitted by the user. In this function, receive the verification code entered by the user. Use the Twilio Verify API to check the provided code against the sent code. Handle the verification result accordingly. If successful, proceed to grant access to the user. If the verification fails, notify the user and allow them to retry. Consider implementing additional features like rate limiting and logging for security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.